Right, now just look at how this little bit of software is picking out some of the key areas where the reversals come in. Now, I just mentioned that the number of 1.272 is all important, and so often we find that area there where price just retreated on down, set up a reversal pattern, and away it went. Okay, it then shot on up, and as we can see, it moved just higher than here, and it then moved up to yet another one of these real key numbers. 1.127 is actually the number. It went to 1.128, just shy, look at that, just shy of the 50%, and then it reversed on back down again, with price then retreating down, and it set up a perfect pattern, pattern in terms of dropping down to 0.886, and this pattern turned out to be a beautiful bat pattern from where price then just accelerated out of that. So that's the euro yen accelerating out of that bat pattern, and it looks as if it's still got a fair old bit more to go. It's moving up now, hasn't quite made the first target, but the first target is there at just shy of 114. So that's this little bit of software which anyone who comes along on the next course that we do for intermediate traders will actually receive this, and they will not pay a bean for it. It will be entirely free when they attend the course. Now over to cable, British pound against the US dollar, which has moved up really quite nicely on the back of UK interest rates looking very much as if they might have to increase because of increased inflation. Now, we're going to be getting those numbers shortly coming out, but what we've just got to be a little bit wary of is this pattern that's developing. Now, quite simply, what we've got is the magic number 0.786, and price looks very much as if it might want to start to come back from here. So that's the 120-minute chart. Let's just bring this down to a 60. In fact, I brought it down to a 30 because it's telling us a little bit more. That the software now is telling us that where price actually popped up to on Friday is at a very, very important inflection level. Just look at all of these lines. We've got lines which are coming down from these previous highs. They're picking out key numbers, 0.786, 0.886, and so on, with the pattern itself at a round number, and is then cable going to find it a little bit difficult to go above here? Well, what this is actually telling us is that if price does manage to get above, it will be highly significant, but that is heavy weather going for it. So there's a very strong possibility that price just might decide that it's going to retreat on down from here, and it is now starting to pick up those characteristics. We've got some candle evidence as well, and this is really just showing the power of this software to automatically pick out these areas where price looks as if it is ready to move. Right, so there we are. This software comes entirely free with the next intermediate harmonic trading course, and it's something that can be used to pick out these key levels where we're really interested in maybe putting our trades on.